Hello guys, this is Vijay and welcome to my channel once again, which is called Digital Business Advisor. As you know, I'm making videos on affiliate marketing from long time right now, and I'm doing it from long time, and I'm making I'm generating a good income from affiliate marketing. That is the reason I'm just letting you know how you can do the same and how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. I'm dealing in different things like print on demand, email marketing, affiliate marketing. That is the major concept in today's time because a lot of people are looking for affiliate marketing, how they can start, how they can make money online. So uh, that is the reason I just because I last time I did not making videos on affiliate marketing, but right now I'm making a good income from affiliate marketing. That is the reason I just started to making video on this, how you can do the same and how you can make money online. So last time I make a video on email marketing, and one of my friend told me, Bijay, I just started email marketing, but I don't know how to collect emails, and because I don't have my mailing list, I don't know how I can send emails to lot of people. So I introduced him a secret which I already use, and that is a secret I just want to let you know as well. But if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon as well, and you will be able to get a notification for next my latest video. Because if you are beginner, then you just need to subscribe this channel, because I already making videos on free method, because I don't want to spend your money in paid method, paid softwares, paid ads like Google ad, Facebook ads. There's so many things on internet where people are asking to invest your money once and first, and then you can make money. But in my videos, I always talking about free methods. So this is also free trick. You can use it, and you can you can start your email marketing journey. And right now, go ahead with me, I'll let you know. And please subscribe the channel, but subscribe to the channel as well. Right now I'm making this video on English because one of my subscriber asked me to making videos on English. That is because she's belong from another country, and she is unable to understand me properly in Hindi. So that is the reason I just making this video in English. Okay. Well, first of all, if you collect a lot of mails, because in this method you will be able to collect lot of emails, but you just need to target those people who already related to your particular niche. So I will talking about later. So first of all, you just need to install a software which is called email exporter. You just need to install this software in your Chrome extension. Add this into your Chrome extension, and once you add it, it will be appear on right hand side of your desktop. And this is the software I'm talking about. Okay. So it is asking me to remove because I already subscribed, I already add it. So you just need to add it. Once you add it, you need to go ahead and log in into your Facebook, because in Facebook there is million and billion of people in Facebook. So you need to log in into your Facebook account, and you need to join lot of groups. So right now the main thing is that you need to join those groups which is already related with your particular niche. So niche means you need to target those people who is interested, what are you selling and what are you talking about. For example, if you talking about fitness, you need to join those groups who are talking about fitness. If you're selling books, if you're talking about books, you need to join those people who are already interested in books, readings, motivation things. So that is called niche, because I'm talking about niche means category. You need to join the groups which is related with your category, because if you join those particular marketing, then you will be able to engage with people, you will be able to buy their trust, and you will able to uh, sell more and more products, I mean promote more and more product, and people will trust you, and they will join your mailing list. So now I'm telling you, you need to you can capture a lot of emails from there, but you don't send directly them, you don't selling anything to them directly. You need to ask them to join your mailing list. you need to send a landing page first. You need to introduce them your business description, what are you talking about. So you need to ask them to join your business. Once they freely join your business, then you can engage with them and you can make a lot of money with them, and you can make a good relationship with them. Okay, so now there is a lot of groups I already joined. So my niche is right now I'm teaching people, and affiliate marketing is my core business. So okay, well, this is affiliate marketing group. There's a lot of people in this group, and they are posting their comments, their posts, and they are doing a lot of things. So I'm here to collecting email addresses. Sorry. So you will see there is a search bar. You need to type here email, drop email. Once you type drop email, search, it will highlight drop email words. So you'll see there is a lot of people commenting on this. There's a lot of post in this group, and you will see there is 135 comments. I'm clicking on this, and I already installed this. And if you already installed it, you'll see there is a lot of email addresses. So what you can do is simply click on your email exporter extension or software, whatever, and you'll see there's 16 email addresses and 3816 phone number. You can try message, you can SMS them. You can try to message marketing as well. This is another option, but you'll see there is 16 email addresses. You just need to press Ctrl C. You can copy them and paste in your Excel, whatever your notepad or Excel you are maintaining. You can paste them, and after that you need to so there is 135 comment, 19 comment, 23 comments. You need to check each and every single thing comment, and let me check this 23 comments. I don't know there is email address or not, but let me check. Okay, so there is no email address, but there is only phone numbers. So you can check a lot of groups, lot of sanctions, and a lot of comments, and 21 comments, drop email 5 comments. I think 2 or 5 emails will be there. To drop your links, I think there will be no email address. So drop your links, okay. So what you need to do is you need to open lot of uh, open lot of comments. You need to join lot of groups, and you can collect email addresses from there. So this is the method where you can collect emails. And the next step is you need to join a software which is called Aweber. If you don't know how to use Aweber, you can check my last video. I'll give you the link of that video in description. You can know step by step how you can use Aweber. You can paste these emails in particular software, email automation software, and then you can ask them to subscribe your mailing list. You can send them your landing page, your business description, or whatever you are doing. You need to introduce with them that particular business which you are doing, and they will trust you. They will definitely engage with you, and you will be able to make a lot of money with that. So it is all about email marketing, where you can send lot of emails to people, and you can buy their trust, and you can make more lot of money. You can start email marketing, affiliate marketing with email address, and you cannot do affiliate marketing without email marketing. So you need to do this, and once you will do, you'll make a lot of money. And if definitely like this trick, please hit the subscribe button, channel to subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon as well. And thank you for watching me. Thank you.